Hey guys, this is Shane here from Echo Soundworks. In this short video, I'm going to show Logic users a game-changing plugin. And I know that's a little bit of a cringe title, but this is a really, really valuable plugin for Logic users. It's called Plug Search. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting any money for doing this. I'm just sharing this information with you guys because it helps me and I'm a Logic user. So it runs up in the background of your Mac. It's actually a little application. And you can see here I have it open and it looks like a little magnifying glass. What it allows you to do, as the name suggests, allows you to search for plugins. So instead of going through a bunch of drop downs and folders and basically the typical process of loading up a plugin in Logic, you can actually just search for it. So let's check it out in practice. Let's say I'm working on a track much like this. And let's say I wanted to throw on a plugin on this bass. So this is a preset from our most recent sample pack and sound set, Vivid. And let's say I wanted to throw on Kickstart or LFO Tool. Well, what I can do is I can hover over an empty slot on my track for my plugins, hold down Command, and now I can just type. Because I've recently used Kickstart, it's up at the top, but let's say it wasn't. I can just start typing, double click, and then it will load up Kickstart. And now I have my plugin on my track. Now you can do this from the mixer view as well. So you can open up the mixer in Logic and same process. You hold down a key command and then search. So to set it up, you do have to make a plug search folder in your plugin manager. So I already have that done, but I'll quickly show you for those of you who are interested. So you go to your plugin manager and you're going to go to your top level and you're going to create a whole folder called Plug Search. And you're literally going to dump every plugin you have into Plug Search so that the database can access the plugins. So it won't change any folders or any customized, folders you may have created like I have here. And it's just such a nice way to load up plugins in Logic. So I will link to the actual page, the developer, so you can check it out. I think it's about $14 if memory serves. And I think it's totally worth it. So if you guys are like me and you hate going through a bunch of folders in Logic and you wish you could search for plugins, Plug Search is the tool for you. All right, so that's going to sum up this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can post those below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you guys aren't subscribed to our channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button. The support really does mean a lot to us. And if you guys haven't ever checked out our website, echosoundworks.com, definitely head on over there. There's a ton of free content, samples, loops, and presets. And of course, there's some premium sound sets and sample packs as well. And lastly, if you guys use Instagram, consider giving us a follow. We run a lot of contests, giveaways, and promotions on that platform. And I think you guys will like what we're doing over there. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.